Hi there, my name is Danny Solom and I'm the founder of Decryptionary.com. That's the simplest crypto dictionary and beginner's guide. In this video series, I'm going to introduce you to the basic concepts around cryptocurrencies. We're going to touch on the 13 major common cryptocurrency words that everyone needs to know. Then we're going to touch on the 5 different categories that you can classify cryptocurrencies into, and finally the 8 resources you should be using right now. Before I go on, here's a quick disclaimer. Nothing published by me or Decryptionary should be taken as investment advice. In fact, before you invest in anything, make sure you do your own research. And our next word is mining. Mining is the computer process. This is a little desktop tower and a monitor. It's the computer process of recording and verifying information on the blockchain. This process is extremely labor intensive on the computer, and it uses a lot of electricity. That's a thunderbolt, if anyone was wondering. So it uses a ton of electricity. That costs a lot of money for whoever's mining. Why would anyone do this, you might ask? It's really simple, because they have an opportunity to win brand new crypto. That could be Bitcoin, that could be Litecoin, that could be whatever coin they are mining. There are several different ways to do mining. The first method was called proof of work, or POW for short. Proof of work requires that the computers work really hard at a math problem. By the way, this is super simplified, so keep that in mind. If you dig into this, it gets complex, but you also get a better understanding. So proof of work, they work really hard on a math problem, and whoever is the first person to complete this math problem, yay, number 1, they get to record a new block. Create a new block, record a new block, and then they earn their crypto. The next mining method actually doesn't really use electricity, so it's kind of funny that I wrote that there. I'm going to clean it up and show you how it works. Alright, so the next method has a similar name. This one's called proof of stake. And what this involves is any person who wants to mine has to put in a stake, an ownership, some of their cryptocurrency. They have to put in some money, and that gives them an opportunity, basically like a lottery, a permanent stake. They don't lose it, and that gives them an opportunity to be chosen by the system, by the technology, to create a brand new block. And if they get chosen, then they get to make their brand new block, and then they get their reward of brand new crypto. There are over 1,500 types of cryptocurrencies. I just checked, and I know it's going to keep growing. The space is brand new, and what that means is that there are tons of methods of mining. There are so many different styles that I can't touch on them all, but those are the 2 basic ones that everyone has started off with, and then new styles have been created, some of them completely disrelated to this. So check it out. Now you know the basic styles. You now know what mining means. I've got many more videos to show you where we're going to cover the remaining terms, tools, and categories I outlined earlier. It's going to be simple, visual, and entertaining. I'll see you in my next video.